So today we stand to discuss about how tech is going to help you in terms of the business, progressive business development. So I'll take few cues from the previous speakers from the previous panel in terms of how they were mentioning about how this industry is evolving in terms of AUM growth, in terms of customer acquisition, etc. I will take few leave from the discussion in the previous panel from what Mr. Swaroop Mohanty as well as Kailash Kulkarni was mentioning. The focus here is going to be in terms of increasing the number of customers and also helping them with a better service with a limited number of distributors who are available in this ecosystem. So, just a kind of a recap from what the fellow panelists spoke in the previous sessions. Yes, as a country, we are growing very fast in terms of increasing our wealth customers. We stand fifth when it comes to the number of HNI customers and ultra HNI customers that we have, and our industry is bound to grow at 100% in next couple of years. And the customer segment is growing, and the biggest advantage is today the growth is with individual customers contributing to this growth and not just the corporate investors who are contributing to this growth. And there is a huge number of customers and distributors who are evolving from the top 30 cities, while the bottom 30 cities are also gathering masses with a lot of initiatives taken by various asset management companies as well as by AMFI. So while this demographic shift is happening in terms of the segment of customers who is getting into the asset management space, we also see there is a difference in terms of the maturity level which comes in the digital, especially thanks to the digital wave which started after COVID, where multiple people have started adopting the digital processes, be it the AMC-driven process or investing in their own platforms and processes, as well as the digital and the fintech ecosystem wave which started much prior as well. But the entire system has a lot of problems even today, because even today the largest segment of distribution is digitally not well served in our opinion. The reason why we say so is there are a lot of problems today that we have as a distributor in terms of servicing the customer, that starts from gathering data, having multiple geographies to service the customers, creating multiple reporting formats, because we believe in one thing. While we see here you as a mutual fund distributor, but many of you are not just distributing mutual funds alone. You distribute various other products like AIF, PMS, FDs. So typically what we look at you is, you're the person every household has as an additional family member whom they refer to you for any financial need. It is not just mutual fund. It is not limited to mutual fund. It can be even for loans. Even it can be for their pension planning. Anything on the financial ecosystem is concerned. But with so many problems that you have, it is difficult for you to expand further. The way what Swaroop sir was mentioning in the previous session, we have limited set of distributors which is who are good enough in terms of expanding this market to another 100%. But with the digital infrastructure, can you do it? The answer might be not yes. So we thought we will do something which is a small part that we would like to do for the distribution community from our end. So with this, we are launching a product called as Iris, which will help you to serve multiple assets with multiple distribution structure. So we'll introduce the product Iris. Can we have the video, please?
From a young age, we are told to grow, to become better, to evolve. We have grown with automation and technology so that we can be relentless. The mutual fund industry has hustled, moved fast, and grown. The ecosystem has never stopped growing, never stopped becoming better. Today, mutual fund distributors manage multiple asset classes, maneuver each asset class's specific regulations and compliance requirements, manage different clients who have diverse investment goals and risk tolerance. This is coupled with manual investor onboarding, slow KYC verification, and inefficient transaction processing. It is time for distributors to evolve. It is time to choose better ways to grow. It is time to embrace automation and technology. It is time to evolve asset management with a financial super app. Introducing Iris by KFin, a transformative platform designed to streamline asset management for individual and non-individual distributors. Iris offers multiple modern and mission-critical features for distributors like user management, hierarchy management, view data at EUIN level, initiate transactions digitally, advanced analytics and reporting, automated workflows and straight-through processing, and integration with existing systems via APIs. Iris Single Interface Access allows you seamless transactions across multiple asset types like mutual funds, NPS, insurance, fixed deposits, loans, AIF, PMS, equity, and IPO. It reduces manual effort and errors with automated workflows for investor onboarding, KYC, and transactions. With Iris Analytics tools, distributors can track total AUM, brokerage, scheme performance, and investor metrics. Features such as transaction snapshots and dashboards enhance visibility into performance metrics. Iris also supports commercial and various non-commercial transactions, offering flexibility to manage a variety of client requests. Get the tools you need to serve clients better, execute transactions faster, and gain deeper insights into your operations through automation. With Iris. KFin, experience transformation.
Thank you. Let me give you a reason why we have named this product Iris. Any guess from anyone why this product is named as Iris? Or what does an iris do? So iris is part of your eye which helps you to regulate the amount of light which is entering in your eyes and see the picture clearly what you want to do. In the similar way, what we see a distributor, while there are multiple informations available in the market, we see you are the people who filters the information and make the customer see what they wanted to see or achieve the goal. Hence, we named this product Iris with a longer vision of serving you. So with this particular product, we are intending to serve multiple asset classes under one roof. You might be a distributor who is selling either one of these asset class or many of these asset class or more than one of these asset class. Any of you can use this platform and start managing your clientele under this particular platform. It helps you in terms of onboarding your customers, serving your customers, seeing various dashboards of the customer. And with this product, we also create a differential hierarchy because many of the distributors today with the expansion in business are adding people underneath you. It can be your employee, it can be in the place of a sub-broker network that you're adding or a sub-BRN network that you're forming and creating a business. This application will allow you to create a multi-hierarchy, the way what you want to structure your business, and each independent person can see only the customer database which is under their equation. So for example, if I am a sub-broker under your business code, you can subscribe to this application. And if I am a sub-broker under you, I will see only the business which I have taken under you, while you will see the entire data that you have got under your ARN code. So it is kind of a multi-level business hierarchy which the system is allowing you to do. You can create, maintain, manage the application because while many of the large players have invested in their own application, few of them are getting support from the asset management companies, but still many of them are outside this entire ecosystem of getting a digital presence in the market. Our idea is to bring them on board, help IFAs, help banks, help other distributors, and in this equation, we would also try to help cross-train the person from another industry. If they wanted to become a distributor of another product, we help you in terms of the cross-training as well. So these are all some of the modules broadly the application will have. Some of the interesting things are this will be kind of a quasi wealth management application. While we have a very full-fledged wealth management application which has been offered by KFin, this is a quasi wealth management application which helps you in terms of doing complete financial planning. creating revenue as well as create your incentive computation when you are working with a sub-broker or an employee network. If you want to operate on a sharing ratio, the system can help you in terms of calculating the sharing ratios as well. Create various analyzing tools as well as cross-asset platforms. So this is the broad objective the application will be covering in. And these are all some of the analytical report the system would be giving in. The phase 1 launch of this application would focus more in terms of mutual fund and NPS, and the subsequent launches will have the other asset classes added. So this will have different reports in terms of AUM summary, business alerts, revenue assurance models, brokerages and other notifications that you can trigger. We are also working on an AI-driven model, which will also be added to the application, which will give you kind of a predictive ability to manage your customers, which would tell you what is the next best action the customer is likely to take. Which customer of yours is likely to buy a specific fund? Which customer of yours is likely to sell a fund? Which customer of you is likely to buy a specific fund? This will be computed based on the analytics our engine will be running based on a complete AI and ML driven model. So just a comprehensive view of the application. What does it help you? It will help you in terms of managing different asset classes, bring in transactional efficiency, because one of the point that we have seen is like many distributors have at least gone beyond the geographical boundaries these days. At least this is the trend we have seen in the last 5-6 years, especially when we see the pin code mapping. You don't have a customer which you had like 10 years back, predominantly specific on a specific location. They are cross-bordered. And you need more and more analytics. I think today we get a lot of learnings from the requirements coming from the distribution community in terms of what you want us to serve you better. Be it in terms of analytical reports, be it in terms of the digital ability you expect us to build on your behalf, and also reduce the manual efforts that you want in every piece of action that you wanted to do these days. And create a complete automated workflow in terms of maintaining your business operations as well as the business workflow, and create a user-friendly application. This application later downstream will also evolve as a B2B2C application. While we today give this application for you, you can also extend an application version of it down the line in terms of having a customer app which belongs to you as a distributor, not I as a manufacturer of this application, where the entire transaction communication between you and the customer can be managed between your investor and this particular app. That's a grand vision of this application. With this, we would like to introduce our application Iris. And thanks for giving this opportunity, and being always a pleasure in terms of coming on an event with KFin Mutual Fund, who is a hub for connecting the distribution and the industry together. Thank you so much.